didn't explain super well in my last video, but when I put the furnace in, I didn't completely hook it up because it needed a new regulator. The regulator from the old furnace didn't work anymore. So I got a new one. Hopefully this will work with the furnace. There are a couple different options and I went with the most common option. So I'm gonna try and hook up the furnace today to the regulator, this hose thing. I also got a CO2 detector and I told you I was gonna show you the little venty things. So there's airflow, there are these vents. This we're leaving in, this was where the old furnace like vented out, but we're leaving the vent thing there. There's a vent up there and up there as well. There's also a fan to keep air moving in here. So I think it'll be just fine. I'm not an expert, but that's what the CO2 detector is for. This is so exciting. I've seriously been having so much fun putting this camper together so far, and I have a lot more to do. It's just really exciting. A lot of people in my life, when I told people I was gonna get this like camper, or not necessarily this camper, but a camper, a lot of people weren't super supportive. They, to be honest, told me like, why don't you get something newer, nicer, blah, blah, blah. But this is why I wanted to work on it. I wanted to like learn stuff and make it my own, and I know I'll like it more knowing that I did the work and that I made it how I want it to be. I also had multiple people tell me not to put such a big bed in it, but I want a queen size bed, so I guess when you know what you want, I'm not gonna settle for what other people want. Oh wow, maybe I shouldn't have done that. I ruined the packaging. If this doesn't work, I just cut into the plastic. Oh man, oh well. This thing. This does not go in there. So I think I was supposed to get the other piece because this looks like this and it's supposed to connect to that thing. So unfortunately, I think I need a different piece. Onto the CO2 detector. I just realized that I maybe could have bought batteries. Oh, it does come with a battery. So I got the battery in, I tested this, and now I don't know that I really want to hang it up yet because I don't know exactly where I want it. So I'm just gonna put it on the shelf in here for now. Start installing plywood. I have over half of a bed. This is satisfying. This next piece is going to be way harder because it needs to be cut twice. And this first one was already so much more work than I anticipated. This gap here is because the walls aren't perfectly square, and yeah. So I attempted to cover up this exposed wire with these foam things that were recommended to me, but it looked terrible, so I tore it all off, and now I'm using this wood piece. I am so happy with how things are turning out in this camper so far. I got a lot done this week, and I'm excited for next week because a lot more is happening. It's just so fun. So that is all for this week.